For many people, the kettle is an essential part of their everyday, whether for preparing coffee, tea, or other hot drinks.
I'm Jellica and I'm a product developer with PADERNO.
A great kettle should be intuitive to operate, provide rapid heating, and be easy to clean and store away. Some great features we've included in the kettle is the one-touch button for soft opening, a wide spout for smooth pouring, a lime scale filter, a great ergonomic handle, a water window for precise filling, and a 360 power base. This powerful and stylish kettle provides rapid and quiet boiling. Our one-touch button design allows for soft opening of the lid. The water window allows for precise filling to the perfect level of water. Starting the kettle is as easy as pressing the on-off switch, and when boiling is complete, it will automatically shut off. Enjoy a comfortable, non-slip grip when pouring with our ergonomic handle. The wide non-drip spout and lime scale filter allow for smooth pouring. The removable lime scale filter can also be taken out for quick cleaning. Remove and replace the kettle at any angle with our convenient 360 base design. The kettle has a beautiful and durable black stainless steel finish. Be sure to see our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO.